Yo, what is going on? This is Sean with BBQGuys, and I'm back. They made me do this again. So now I'm going to be making pan-seared bacon, butter, garlic scallops. No, I have never made scallops before, and I'll be honest with you, I'm kind of terrified the fact that I'm making scallops. This is a dish that I see on like. And it's like Gordon Ramsay cooks this dish. I've never cooked this dish. I don't know how to cook scallops. I've had scallops a few times. They're very tasty. They're very buttery, delicious. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it turns out. Yeah, when I was looking at this recipe, let's see what a scallop is. I don't even know what is a scallop. Similar to oysters, mussels, and clams, inside the shell, scallops have a white mussel. The part that you eat, that we're gonna eat. So it's like, I knew it was like a mussel or a oyster. I don't know. I thought it was be more informative than that. Okay, so today what we're gonna be doing, it's a really simple recipe. It's really kind of, it sounds really complicated, the bacon, butter, so it's really simple what we're gonna do. We're gonna basically fry some bacon up, which is delicious. You can't really go wrong with bacon. We're going to chop that up for garnish a little later with the parsley. Use that bacon grease. We're going to pan-sear those delicious scallops in the bacon grease. Once we give them a flip, we're going to add some butter and some chopped up garlic to kind of give it a little just taste explosion, I guess. Yeah, it's going to be good. Cooking scallops is really quick. We're going to do about 2 minutes aside. The grill's really hot. The oil's gonna be just like straight up cooking. So we're gonna throw the scallops in. We're gonna do 2 minutes aside. They're on the plate. We're gonna put some parsley on it. We're gonna put some bacon on it, and then we're gonna just devour it. Hopefully, if I don't, screw this up. All right, no more talking. Let's do this. Oh my God, okay. That was delicious. Really surprised myself. I did not think they were going to be that good. The lemon, just a little pop of lemon at the end, just took it over the edge. Give it a try. It's a simple recipe. If you don't want to add all the butter and garlic and all that stuff to, if you're kind of nervous about that stuff, just get a cast iron skillet, get some butter, throw those suckers in there for 2 minutes aside, and they're done. If you want to fancy it up, put some bacon in, put some parsley and put some lemon, do it, man. It's you will not be disappointed. I promise you, you're gonna love it. It was delicious. Give it a try. You're gonna like it. It's not that hard. I can do it. And if I can do it, I am 100% sure you can do it. It'll change your world. Seared scallops, butter, bacon, garlic.